Hey everybody, I just want to give a take on what three stocks are my YOLOs. They would be Palantir, Tesla, and Nvidia. Those three are on my list to really take off in the next couple years or so. Which Nvidia is already done. Palantir's fallen behind, and then there's Tesla. But out of the three, I think Palantir has the most room to run because it hasn't run at all, and as compared to what Tesla and Nvidia have done. So that's my first one is Palantir. I'd watch that. I know the PE ratio because is kind of high compared to the other two. They're just starting things out as far as getting their AI software to really run it's going to be like the Windows operating system for AI. They're building their own, their operating system. And then other thing that they're doing, they have another share that they're working with the government, Gotham, and then they have other few other things in their cart. And of course, Tesla, with the cars, but down the road, I think that's going to really be their side business, and they're going to have the AI robots, and then also the main moneymaker should be the taxis, the self-driving taxis that really, I think, in the next couple years are going to really take off. I think Kathy Wood said that as well. So those two, Palantir and Tesla, and then of course the next one is Nvidia, which is screamed higher. Was the last. It's taken a little dip today, but I mean it's been through a couple of splits, and I think from here from around the 130, even when it split 120 was a deal for how far it's going to go. I think it could even head up to 1,000, but they really have everything. They're powering the AI revolution, and they're supplying the shovels for that gold rush. And then one thing what they're getting into is software as well. But I think they're really behind compared to Palantir, how far ahead they are. So I don't really know about how much right now that is, but I think they're doing that so as a backup to all the chips that are selling to everybody. But I think that money just gonna keep flowing in, and I think the next quarter is gonna crush it too. And so I'm just building up my position in Nvidia, and then of course I have just my daily buys in Palantir. So of those three, Palantir, Tesla, and Nvidia, you should just have them as your DCA, or you could put, I think the one that, I think two of them that you could YOLO into it is, Palantir and Nvidia. I think you could Palantir the most, but for right now, to throw the lump sum in, I guess be Palantir because it's so low, and then of course the Nvidia too. But I think it's headed back to 1,000 and may do another split. And then the third one is Tesla. But yeah, just YOLO. DCA as much as you can, and then lump sum into those. I think you'll be fine. But the slow one is the Palantir. Is just gonna slowly build up, and then if you're not in, you have a bunch of shares, you're gonna miss the boat, miss that train when that takes off. But those are my three YOLO stock picks: Palantir, Tesla, and Nvidia. But yeah, Nvidia is just gonna keep. This AI revolution is it's just beginning, and so I think their earnings are just gonna keep picking up, and they can't really compare to the other. During the .com bust, they had some ones that were just building infrastructure, and that infrastructure stopped. It was when they're building the internet up. But I think Palantir Palantir too, and then I think Nvidia has really positioned themselves just to keep going. That they're not going to really, they'll have the data centers, but they'll have other avenues. But it's all dependent on what goes on with the market. But but nobody's um, as far as fault as far as like if the market drops some economic reason or some geopolitical or anything like that, and of course the video is gonna get hit like all the other ones. But I think you're fine, like as long as you just DCA into these three companies, I don't think you can really lose. That's just my opinion. There are a few others, but those are the main three. So if you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. So yeah, Palantir, the video, and Tesla. Check them out, and you can't go wrong if you're not in. Even if you make a little bit of money, but you'll be fine. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.